Hi friends, I am Veda. I had been to a garden yesterday with my father. There were so many beautiful flowers and big green trees in the garden. I wondered, from where do these flowers and trees come from? My father explained me that plants and trees grow from seeds. I couldn't understand how can such a big tree grow from a tiny seed. So I asked my father if we can plant a seed as I wanted to see myself how a plant grows from a seed. We dug some soil and planted some seeds. My father told me that a seed needs air, water, sunlight and soil to grow. So he gave me the responsibility to water the seeds every day and see for myself how the plants grow. After a few days, I saw a thin stem coming out. I called my father to see it. My father told me that seeds first grow roots to help the plant stay firm to the ground. The part that grows above the ground is called the shoot. Days passed by and I saw small green leaves growing on the stem. Also, the height of the stem had increased by now. It was so exciting to see a plant grow. My dad told me that leaves make food for the plant. I kept watering the plant. One morning, as I went to water my plant, I saw a beautiful flower on my plant. After that, many flowers grew and plant was also growing. It was almost as tall as my dad now. As time passed by, my plant grew into a beautiful tree. And guess what? My father had given me apple seeds to plant. My tree was full of red and juicy apples. Have you ever tried to grow a tree? If not, then you should surely plant one today.